Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RVbroke.
Okay. What I've done here, I've got a taper on the edges, is this door. I don't know why Alliance did it on the new models. Is there's a gap underneath the door, and I can actually feel air coming through it. So I got this little deal right here that'll go on there, and I took alcohol and I rubbed it. So now let me set this tripod up so. Okay. Let's see if that's good. Is that good? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now we'll peel this sticky tape off. Very sticky. Okay, could go out a little bit, because this side here is a side that can't be. I'm not very good at this. There we go. Okay, now it's sealed. Beautiful. I don't know why Alliance didn't do this. So, there. Yeah. Perfect. This was we got this at Menards. First time I'd ever been in a Menards. Really nice. They got everything. Okay. All right. See you later. Look at that. Works good. Okay. All right. Now, see how it's completely sealed. I was putting a blanket behind her. All right. Bye.
Hi. So today I received my second package of spice containers. I wasn't happy with the way the spices took up so much space in the pantry cupboard. And so I found this spice holder rack, magnetic. It's magnetic, that I'm going to put on the wall behind the stove. And they are super magnetic. I know the plastic kind of hinders that. And they have a shaker. They have a pour spout right there. And they have a shaker spout. Oh no. Well, that's so weird because some of them, okay, well, the other set I got had a shaker spout on the opposite side. So, I don't know, maybe it's just this one. We'll see. Let me look at a different one. But they seal very tightly. Oh, wow. Well, these are defective. I don't think I'll send them back, though. But I'll show you the other ones, too. Oh, actually. Actually, it's in the lid. Oh my. So here's the shaker part. It's in the lid. Shaker part and pour part. I hope you guys got a chuckle out of that, because I did. And then they have a seal on the inside that you have to scratch out so that doesn't scratch that. And then there's a seal on the outside too. And takes a while. All right, So this just peels off of the outside too. And as I get them set up, I will, well, that's kind of cool. I will show you how it goes. All right, bye. And I don't think I'm going to put one in between them, because I think that if I have one here on this side right here, and then this one actually slides in and out. Oops. So I think that will hold it without having to have a stopper in the middle. Okay, and the last one. Just a little sticky pad behind right here so that they don't move at all. But anyway, and then got these on Amazon. Yes, I think I will just put a little sticky one right in here somehow. I don't know. We'll see once. So I did decide to put a little bit of the sticky pad back here because it just wasn't, it was coming away from the wall. So that seems to be holding it quite well. I think these are going to be great. I'll let you know. I'm a little concerned about how they do traveling. So I'll probably put a towel on the stovetop here and just protect it. The reviews said they stayed on very well in RVs. So these spice containers also come with labels. My first set was missing one sheet, and so I used a fine point white pen to mark them on. The second set did come with every sheet, so that's a plus too. So Harley came in and looked at my handiwork, and he was a little bit concerned about the bottom of this plate being right against the countertop. And so we fashioned some tubing. I sliced the tubing down the middle and put that on, 4 of them on there, so that it wouldn't shift and wouldn't jiggle against the countertop when we were traveling. And then he put a little bit of E6000 on the top and the bottom so that they wouldn't move against each other. So the project is done, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, bye. Thanks so much for watching and sticking with us, and like and subscribe and all the things. And see you next time.
RV
Bye.
broke.